Hi YouTube. I had a Dometic window fail on the motorhome, so I had to replace it, and I thought I'd cut the old one up into pieces. That's the reference for the window. I cut the old one up into pieces, into strips, and I thought I'd conduct a test on some of the solutions people use on these plastic windows to clean them and to remove scratches from them. So these appear to be the most commonly used materials for scratch removal and cleaning and protection. So we've got Brasso T-Cut, WD-40, Meths, White Spirit, Autoglym Fast Glass, and cling film. Some people use that to protect the windows in winter or when it's laid up. So what I'm going to do is apply these solutions to the various test pieces of plastic. You can see there at the moment they're all pretty clear, and just test it over a 6-month period. Leave them outside and come back to them in 6 months and see if there's been any effects on the actual plastic. So what I'm intending to do is apply these solutions to the bottom part, leave the solution on and cover it in a plastic bag and seal it, and each of the middle sections I'm going to apply it, leave it on for a minute and then wipe it clean. Okay, I've applied each of the solutions now to the sample pieces of plastic windows, and I've decided not to use the plastic bags because if I wrapped the plastic bag around the ends, the plastic would come in contact and might cause a reaction. So what I've done is I've got some cotton cloths, and for the contact ends I've just put a concentration on the end of each sample, and what I'm going to do is wipe the middle bits clean, so it'll simulate applying the stuff and wiping them clean and also leaving it in contact long term. So I'm going to hang these up outside now after I've cleaned the centre bits and leave them 6 months, come back, see what they're like. So here I've mounted the test samples on the garden fence, exposed to the sunshine and the elements, and I've wiped the centre sections clean, and the concentrated solutions on the end, what I've done is I've wrapped them round with duct tape, making sure that the duct tape doesn't come into contact with the actual sample. So we'll leave them here 6 months now and see how they go on. So here we are, a year later, just looking at the test results and see what effect all these different substances has had on the plastic from the motorhome window. So I've cut off all the cloth bits that were holding the compounds onto the plastic, and quite impressed really. There's not much to report. They all seem pretty much unaffected until we get to the cling film. There's a bit of discoloration there, which is number 4. So number 4 was methylated spirits. So that's kind of etched in a bit, stained it. Probably come out with something like teacup, but look at this with the with the cling film. I've done a strength test on all of these, and I got hold of this one and it snapped clean off in my hand. And when you hold it up to the light, you can see it's full of crazy crack patterns in the plastic. I've cleaned this bit up. This bit on here I haven't cleaned up, but you can still see when I hold it up to the light, you still see the cracks underneath what's left of the cling film there. So it's quite impressive really. None of these substances long term seem to affect the plastic, but cling film, if you wrap your windows in cling film over winter like some people do, that can have a really serious effect on this the plastic. It can reduce the strength and also fill the whole thing with deep cracks that go right the way through the thickness. So if we've learnt anything from this test, never use cling film on your windows.